Hi students, I'm hoping that this video will help you reinforce the graphing of equation of a line. We have been looking at equations of lines, and an equation of a line is when you have an equation, that means it has an equal sign, that has an x to the 1 power and a y to the 1 power. In the old days, we would randomly choose an x value and we would substitute it in the equation for x, and we would solve for y and then plot the point, and we would painstakingly choose another x value just randomly, and when we solved for y we would plot that point, and we would keep doing that until we could connect the dots and get an equation of a line. But now we've learned that if you can solve for y and get your equation into this format, we can read that format and understand how to plot a line much more quickly. So if I can take my assigned equation and solve for y to get it so that y equals my x term plus my number, then we can do some things. The x term has an m multiplied times its some number, m. And m, if you remember, is our slope, and m is rise over run. And then b, that's the easiest one to use. The last number is our y-intercept. So let's define that as we go. I will take my first equation and solve for y. Negative 2x is added to y, so I'm going to add the opposite 2x to both sides of the equation, and I get y equals, and I have 1 plus 2x, but I want it to be in the format where my x term is first and then my number. So y equals 2x plus 1. Now I have it in what's called slope-intercept form. M is my slope, that's number 2, and 1 or b is my y-intercept. Now the 1 is the easiest thing and the first thing we go to. When you have your equation in the right form, you look at the last number, number 1, and that is the y-intercept. That is where your line will hit the y-axis. So I come to my graph and I find the 1 on my y-axis, and that is 1 point on my line. That's the first thing I do, and it's so easy. You look at the last number, find it on y, and that's a point on your line. The next thing I do is I look at my slope, which is 2. M equals 2. Now I need 2 to look like a fraction so that I can tell what my rise is and I can tell what my run is. The number 2 can be written as 2 over 1. That tells me my rise is 2 and my run is 1. Rise is my y direction up and down, and run is my x direction left and right. If it's positive, that tells me that I go up for my rise. If the run is positive, that tells me to go right. Now you know that positive divided by positive equals positive. So positive 2 divided by positive 1 gives me positive 2, which is what is in my equation. But you know also now that if I take a negative 2 and divide it by a negative 1, I can still end up with this positive 2. So my slope can also be written negative 2 rise, which really means go down, and negative 1 run, which really means go left. Negative means go down or left. Positive means go up or right. So what does that mean? That means I come over to my graph and go to the point that I know about, this number 1 point, and I can use this first slope and go up 1, 2, and then go right 1, and there's another point. Or I can go to my point number 1 and go down 1, 2, and go left 1, and there's another point. Now I have some points for my line, and I can just connect them, and that is the graph of my line. Be sure that your line has arrowheads on the ends, because the definition of a line means it goes on and on forever. So this equation, y equals 2x plus 1, is the equation of this line. I can choose any x value and solve for y, and that point will be on this line. And this is graphing the equation of a line.